This is how to carry weft along when you're using a floating selvage. I have white weft that I've just thrown. I'm going to bead it in place. Here's the red weft that I had been using, and I'm going to carry that along with the floating selvage. So I put my red weft where I can control it. I'm going to weave it with my white floating selvage with the white weft. I'm going over the floating selvage, carrying with it the red weft. You can see the red weft with the white floating selvage being wrapped by the white weft I just threw. Here's how to start the red weft that you had wrapped around the floating selvage. Make sure your red weft is going to go over the floating selvage into the shed and bead it into place. And that's how you carry colors with floating